Warway of the infinite blasts, yo, many deep tracks into dark caves of ancient man. Running shamans, the bear clan, protector of the feminine, dwelling deep within the skeletons of much more ancient. Can they link chains? Mine shafts were made containing the central earth where the wisest stay hidden. Mystic smoke rising from the grandest of hands. Animal fur protecting the mother's planet where she danced. Floating Hindu vessel filled with liquid drink for the trance. Water elixir healing mankind's paleo sapiens. With 7 stones. Now my sisters in yoga stance with them 7 stones. Open portents. We heal and elevate to awaken the portal of mortal elements. In ecstasy, she moves off like points. Sub the star of Satan, yet placing spells which prevail over wasted races. They celebrate around great bonfires of that body shaking, the thunderous music from the goddess's grace. The woman who gazes into her vessel with the face to see the male figure. Figure who's gathering for the chase, but while the father enlightens in the route. Is afraid only the greats of place and even further protected by she who will devastate, the seer who makes all rumbling quake. The stone of water, which we praise the souls to awake. I know where she danced. Floating Hindu vessel filled with liquid drink for the trance. Water elixir.